Hello, in this small and quick video I would like to explain to you how MySQL Workbench works. For doing so, I will show you how you can create a EER diagram with MySQL Workbench. First, when you are in MySQL Workbench, the first thing you will be able to connect to the database. Here, from there, and there you can load your database easily. You can export as well your data, so it will be a MySQL SQL file, a DOM file. You can also import data easily, same way, with a self-contained file, and the export to be the same, export to self-contained file. And then when you want to create a diagram, you just click here, plus, and there you will be able to create a EER diagram. If you wonder, EER stands for Enhanced Entity Relationship. So EER, it's just some improved entity relationship just to visualize better your database. So in order to visualize better, you will create your tables in here. So there I would have a table, it would be user or maybe customer, and here I would have my columns, my entities. So another table, it will be, for instance, purchase, or maybe it will be information, user information, user underscore information, and again inside I can create some fields, so some columns. I will have, for instance, the primary key, it will be information ID like this, primary key, not null. You see, you can easily change the values there, not null, primary key, unassigned, auto increment, and the same here for customer. You can, let's have a primary key, so user ID, primary key. Here I can have name, let's do first name, to prevent to have a first form 1NF, so first, perfect, so last name, and then here it will be country, for instance, it will be a string. For name 2 I can change the length, 40, and by having first name and last name and not one name field with first and last name inside, we are following the first normal form. So in the database you have 1NF, which is first normal form, and then the second quite common one and the third quite common one is the second NF, second normal form, and the third normal form. But we won't cover this in this video because I want to keep this video simple and just, explain it to you how MySQL Workbench works and not how you can create different normalization with MySQL. That's obviously a more advanced topic. So here we can create a relationship with your column. So I will just have a one-to-many relationship. So to be user, to be from user, so we create from there user information to user. Or you can see here I need a primary key. I think it's because customers, it doesn't have primary key, so I take to primary key here, and now I will be able to have a one-to-many relationship. So a customer can have multiple So one customer, it will be actually like this, to be the other way around. One user information can point to a lot of different customers. So the same information can be to multiple customers. So that way we go the other way around. At the moment is a customer can have multiple information. But if I just delete this one, delete, we click on delete, and now if I do like this, is one customer. User information can have many customers. That's the other way around. And here I can name it as my relationship.